All right. So, get that out of the way. So this is my review. I just picked the shoebox out for my lures. There's nothing in there. Dang it. So first up, I need to put some stuff away. These are just hooks for So first up, we got a crankbait bluegill imitation, and it is soft right here. Okay, a white popper. That's gonna be key for rainy conditions. Put this crankbait away. Woolly bugs, key for catching some big ones. Cause it's fall. Don't know when you're watching this, but it's fall right now, and you can catch big ones, but it will take a while. But you'll catch them. Another crankbait. Oh, nice. Got a little rattle. This one doesn't, but this one does. Nice. These same thing as these youngs, but I just added in there these tournament series pumping toads. I did catch a bass at Carter Lake on here. It's great. It is a 1 pound 9 ouncer. It's at Carter Lake. If you go to like one end by Eppley Airfield, right? There's a boat ramp, and then there's like a little island in the middle. And at that boat ramp, so what we're doing, so there's lily pads like all around it. Really key. But before we fish that, it was very key. There's like these points. There's about 5 or 6 of them. Didn't go out very deep. Okay, it's about time I got that. But we changed. And then by the lily pads, took a couple pitches in there. Didn't catch anything, but on a cast right by a lily pad, I got stuck on it. Okay, got stuck. Keep that. And right as I got off, he was on, I think, when I do not know. He was, I think, on when I was on the lily pad, but I got it off. My rod was still bent, so I'm like, oh, I think I have a fish on. Set the hook. I'm like, dude, I got one. And yeah, it was on that humping toad. And a nice little young dinger. Great for Texas rigging, wacky rigging, drop shotting, and maybe use a shaky head. I don't know, but you can use a weightless split shot, Carolina, or a jig head and drop shot. I think I covered all those, but with this woolly bug, woolly bug, you can catch big ones on these. I think I already said that. But I'm uploading it at 4. I think I already said that too. Alex, you need to shut up. But you can just pitch this into weeds, and it'll just get in there like a little craw. Trying to go on a bass.
But you don't. Well, you thought a pitch was where you throw it.
Shut up.
Put the slack on and you throw it. That's my brother's logic.
So you can do a Texas rig, a jig head, which is like a jig chair, and like you can get like a shaky head and flip it, pitch it anywhere in grass, weeds, whatever. And yeah, that's all we got for today. That's only in the box. So Alex, I have to tell you something.